If you don't know what appetizer to make for Christmas, then you can amaze all your guests with this recipe. First, cut out the shape of a Christmas tree. The base of the trunk should measure 7 centimeters, the height 6, and the sides 7 centimeters. Once you have the tree shape, place it on top of another new sheet with parchment paper and then cut out another tree shape. Spread pesto over the surface. A good alternative is sun-dried tomato paste and robiola cheese. Carefully lay the other sheet over the top and start cutting out the branches. Make outwards cuts 2 centimeters apart, trying to leave a gap for the trunk. Then roll up each branch. Now, cut a star out of the leftover dough and place it at the top of the tree. Brush the tree with egg and decorate it with sesame seeds. Then, bake it in a conventional oven at 200 degrees for 20 minutes. Now we're ready to serve. Look at that. It looks fantastic and is super easy to make, perfect for parties.
Ciao!